Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a call on Gmail Updated. To get started, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're on your inbox page. This method works from within the Gmail interface, so beginning there helps you access the calling features more easily. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu. If you do not immediately see the full list of options you need, that is normal, since Gmail first shows a quick settings panel. From that panel, click See All Settings. This will open the complete settings page where you can manage more detailed Gmail features. When the full settings page loads, look across the tabs near the top and select Chat and Meet. This section controls how chat and calling tools appear inside Gmail. In the Chat and Meet settings, choose Google Chat. If needed, scroll down the page until you reach the Save Changes button, then click it. Saving is important here because Gmail will not update the chat feature unless the changes are confirmed. After you save, Gmail may refresh automatically and return you to your inbox. Once you are back in the inbox view, move to the left panel of the screen. Here, you should now see the chat area. Click New Chat to begin starting a conversation. This is the entry point for making a call through Gmail, since calls are started from within a chat. At this stage, continue by following the prompts on your screen to select or open the conversation you want. The exact options may vary slightly depending on your Gmail layout or account settings, so just proceed with the available on-screen instructions until the chat window is open. After the chat is ready, go to the upper right area of that conversation window and click the video camera icon. This will start a video call. If it is your first time using this feature, your browser may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Be sure to allow access if you want the call to work properly. As a quick tip, if you do not see the chat section right away, refresh Gmail or check that your settings were saved successfully. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable before starting the call for better audio and video quality. That's it. You've now enabled Google Chat in Gmail and used it to start a call directly from your inbox.